You can track prices from Zorro right in Google Sheets, and you can also pull other data as well, including title, prices, brands, and images. And to do that, you're going to use an add-on I made called Get Data. However, what you can do is you can actually download this template from me where I've already added the Get Data function to the template and everything is ready to go, and you can just extract your data from Zappos, which includes prices and other data, directly into this Google Sheet. But what I'm going to do right now is show you how to actually use the Get Data so that you can continuously extract data directly into this Google Sheet. There are no credits needed for this. There are no limits of any kind as far as the number of products that you can do and how often you can do it. So now, basically, you can see right now that I have a list of URLs over here from Zappos, and you can also see that I have product ID, title, price, brand, product description, image URL, and then I have a preview of the image, which for that I'm just using the equal image Google Sheets function to just pull the image from the image URL, right? So basically, to get this stuff in here, you have to use Get Data, right? So what I'm going to do is remove it, and I'll remove that data. And to extract the data, you simply select the area where you want to extract it to, which is this area. You use Get Data and then Extract Range, and it will extract the data for those products. As you can see, product ID, the title, price, the brand, product description, and image URL. And just so you can see that this is corresponding to the URLs, I'll go ahead and open a URL for you and let you see the product. The reason this main image is different, you see the first image, this has variations, this product. So the first image is actually this blue image, which is why the image is that blue image here. It's giving you just that first image URL. And so here you can see, and by the way, you did see the price, 42. So the price is marked down. So it's giving you like that original price, but I see it's the lowest price in 32 days. Okay, so that's a slight difference there. So I'll look into what we can do about that. And let's take a look at this one, $75 for those stud earrings, and you can see it's $75, right? So for the ones that have just that one single price on it, we see that those prices are the same, right? 168 and 168. Okay, so with the markdown price situation over here, I'll have to look at that and see what we can do with that. But basically, it's going to report the price that is here. So this is, let's see what price we get from this one. Get Data, Extract Range, and $58, the same as here. Okay, so by the way, Get Data, this is a free tool, and there are no limits, no credits. And the reason I'm mentioning that is because I want you to know that there's no risk in using this and trying to see if it will work the way you need it to work. And also, it works with other online stores, not just Zappos. All right, I'm using Zappos in this example, but it can work with other online stores, so you can try it to see what it can do or can't do for your online store. And you can always contact me to let me know if there's something you want to be able to do. Right? And, you know, we can just talk about that, but just wanted you to get an idea. Okay, now, there is more to using it than this. I mean, there's actually knowing how to set up the columns, which to do that, you can use Get Data, set extraction column, and then tell it what you're extracting, such as the ID or the title, the price, the brand. I already set the extraction columns up for each of these columns, which is why it's ready to go, where you can just go to extract range, and it's ready to be extracted. But there are more steps if you actually want to create your own sheets and set them up. I've demonstrated that in another video where I demonstrated a few different stores. I'll just go ahead and finish extracting this right now. But I have another video where I demonstrated the complete process if you were trying to extract from different stores and you wanted to set up a spreadsheet to do that for the price from scratch. So check the description of this video. You find a link for that video, but you also find a link to the download page for Get Data, where you get more information. You can download it in a couple different ways. And that is about it, Mr. Mark. Look forward to hearing from you or seeing you around in another video.